How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. This video we'll be talking about the C Corp, explaining and operating. What I'll be explaining, what a C Corp is, from operation and tax standpoint. But I want to give a quick disclaimer. I want to make sure whatever entity you choose, be the C Corp, LLC, S Corp, or whatever direction, make sure you consult a credentialed accountant, tax professional. They give you the best insight and guidance on be the best entity to choose. These videos are just to explain exactly what they are and get a general explanation of them, not necessarily steer and which one would be the best one in general. So again, make sure you talk to someone that is experienced that can give you the best guidance, will be the best direction for you to choose for you and your business. Now, again, we're talking about the C Corp, which is the legal structure for a corporation in which the owners or shareholders are taxed separately from the entity. How they created? Typically what happened, you have the articles, or most of them are filed with the state, with a particular state that the actual corporation is located in. Usually articles organization will file with the respective Secretary of State's office. Procedures and filing fees may vary from state to state. And usually from a corporation standpoint, most corporations will have you file some kind of legal notice with the local news entity for that particular county or jurisdiction that you may be setting up in. Some of the key features: the actual C Corp, the taxes are paid by the business. Again, it's not necessarily a flow through engine like the LLC or the S Corp. It has unlimited shareholders, so you're not restricted to the amount of shareholders or people that can contribute to the funding or the creation of the company. And have a situation what's known as double taxation, where the corporation and shareholder distribution. So the corporation has a liability from taxes, and also actually the shareholders when they get a distribution of dividends. Some of the key features, what we're talking about from a structure standpoint: some of the advantage, limited liability, perpetual existence, improved credibility, no shareholder restrictions, some tax advantages, growth potential, able to raise funds easily. Some of the disadvantages can be, dual taxation, expensive setup, and it's a complex rule. That's why, again, it is so important that you actually talk to some kind of credential professional to give you advice. Like I said, for this actual video is just more for informative purposes to give you pretty much a summary of each one. But I really, really, really want to, stress you guys, make sure you talk to a professional to give you the proper guidance on which would be the best entity for you. Some of the basic tax implications: again, double taxation, corporate tax rate of 21%, and individual capital gains up to 23.8%. Quick example, we're looking at that particular thing where you see visualizing corporate taxation. You can see like from $100 corporate profit. In the top, you see the business pays 21% of corporate income tax on profit. The shareholder receives $79 as a dividend. Whereas that's at the entity level, and at the shareholder level, the shareholder pays up to 23.8% on capital gains tax, and that 23.8 on that 79 is at $19. Taxing income at both the entity and individual level, meaning the shareholder only keeps $60 of the original $100 profit. So this is an option in its inception, give you a chance to look at how everything flows. Those distributions, the actual go to actually the shareholder, and also to the actual that will remain with the entity itself. As far as tax filing purposes, the C Corp is filed on Form 1120. This is the form here. And remember, this is a totally different separate form in regards to the actual, you may see with a LLC or an S Corp. This will be filed by itself, irrespective of actually what the shareholders will file with their personal return, okay? And again, a brief summary of C Corps of doing it. Again, I stress again, guys, make sure you talk to an actual professional in regards to be the best one for your situation. Because again, you have a lot of videos that summarize like what we just did, but they'll tell you choose this. I'm never going to get in those kind of conversation because there are a lot more other factors that need to be taken in consideration from a business and your personal situation for you to determine what particular type of entity that you need. But with that said, make sure you can get more great information, just like what we discussed on the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar, where we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, real estate, and investing in business. To always stay updated with the current information that we currently have and all the information coming down the pipe, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell to get a notification each time we upload a new video. Best of luck to you guys. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.